discuss what are the two cases about people of the Philippines versus Ramos and people of the Philippines versus Villarino. The first case are people of the Philippines versus Ramos. GR No 229845. The facts: the accused was charged with rape. The prosecution relied mainly on the testimony of the victim, who stated that the accused forcibly had sexual intercourse with her against her will, while the accused denied the accusation. The ruling: the Supreme Court affirmed the conviction. It ruled that the credible and consistent testimony of the victim alone is sufficient to support a conviction for rape. Physical, physical injury or corroborate evidence are not required when the victim's testimony is believable. This case deals with the defense of the self-victim but claimed that he only did so to protect himself because he admitted the killing. The killing. The law required him to prove all the elements of self-defense, especially that the victim was the unlawful aggression. And next, ma'am, is the two, ay, the people of the Philippines versus Villarino. Fox, the accused, and killed the victim during a confrontation. He claimed that he acted in self-defense. Ruling: the Supreme Court rejected the plea of the self-defense and found the accused guilty of homicide. The court held that unlawful aggression is the most essential element of self-defense, and since it was not proven that killing was justified, this case centered on the credibility of witness. Villarino was charged with killing the victim. The defense tried to discredit the prosecution witness by pointing out inconsistencies in their testimony. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.